Paris. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. This is my bag. There's this little handy shoe compartment that I've put my trainers in already. Okay, t-shirts. This t-shirt and this one, a bit oversized, very comfy. This t-shirt, one of my favourites. Then this one's just really oversized, probably be good for sleeping. Just getting them off the line now. Look how gorgeous. And I need to hurry up because I'm meeting my sister to get food at 2 and it's currently 1:40. Okay, these are all my t-shirts. Now for bottoms, this skirt, I love her, but she is kind of short, I won't lie. Then these shorts, and I currently have another pair being washed. These are just undershorts. Maybe if I'm doing sports I'll wear them. I'm walking to get snacks with my sister. Now I'm gonna pack my toiletries. Toiletries bag tour. I have some scrunchies, a new like travel soap spray, and then some deodorant. Charging my DS for some onboard entertainment. We need to leave in like an hour, and I'm about to have the bath. We're on the way to the station right now. This was like the only part of the journey that didn't go badly, and it was the train to the coach station, and it was very peaceful.
Say it, sort it.
I'm gonna walk to the coach station. We're waiting at the bus stop. So the bus was delayed for over an hour, which was honestly like the worst way to start the trip because we were so stressed about it. But my twin got me some sushi, so that was good. And then the bus arrived. And then our coach was delayed for ages. There were no other coaches delayed, and they were literally shutting the coach station. My meal. It's so pretty outside. We ended up making it to the ferry at about 4 in the morning, and even though we'd been really delayed, it honestly ended up working out because we saw the sunrise. It was so pretty, and we also got a free breakfast. This is the view of the ship. It's so gorgeous. Like the sun is setting. It's giving those North Sea videos. Whoa. We made it now, we're just sitting in the park eating. We walked around for a bit and then we took a boat tour across the Seine, and it was so nice because it sort of orientated us in Paris, and we got to see along the Seine where the Eiffel Tower was, where Notre Dame was, where the Louvre was, and where like lots of other iconic places were. And I also thought I would explain a bit about the trip. So it was a almost solo trip in the travel. So I went there just by myself with my sister, who's the same age as me, and then when we were there we met my aunt and uncle. So it wasn't fully solo because it's really hard to do that with accommodation, but it was really nice to have that sense of independence and also to do lots of things that were kind of outside of my comfort zone, like the travel being fully messed up, especially on the way home. That was like crazy stressful, but you're gonna have to watch and see what happened on the way home, I guess. actually, but still. These are the bunk beds. This is the balcony view out to the street. It's open. This is the mirror. There's nothing in it. Which is like unpacking right now. Relax. These are the PJs. We had a tour who sort of explained some of the history of the tower and took us up to the first floor, and then we took the lift a bit further and they were so crammed, but it was better than walking up all those steps. And the view from the top, so we went up to I think the second floor, and then the floor above that, there's like one that you can just walk up a small flight of stairs to get up, and the view was just amazing. Like you could see all over Paris, and yeah, it was just incredible, honestly. Probably my favourite thing that I learnt from the tour was that the tower was engineered by Gustav Eiffel, who actually provided 80% of the money to build it. So then he got to live in the top of the tower for 20 years, which is so cool. And he made the money back really quickly because there's an antenna in the top, and it would used to be the highest point in Europe, I think. So it was used for radio communications because there's a military school which you can see from the tower. So yeah, that was really interesting. I had no idea.
Là, on va prendre le deuxième ascenseur. Bien, il fait.
Paris is so beautiful. Yeah. Makes it like billion pounds. We walked some of the way down, which was really cool because it was like you're inside of the tower. Then we had lunch at this lovely restaurant, and we went to this park called the Tuileries, and there was all these iconic green chairs, and it was just very peaceful. Shopping pool. So cute. Right, first of all, I got these from 𝙾𝚙𝚎𝚗. They're like movie notebooks. There's 3 of them. It was like under €4, which I don't think that's bad. Is that bad? Then I got a refill from Muji because they closed the one in Birmingham. It's so sad. Then, oh my god, oh my days, I literally found the cutest shop. So I got these stickers. They were 20 cents each. I might get some more. They're really cute. They had other stickers, but they were quite expensive. Got these 2 tulip hat clips, €3. Really cute though. Wow. And then I got this really cute star hair clip, which is €1, and they also do bubble tea, so I might go and get one of those tomorrow morning, and probably some more stuff. And also for my scrapbook, this is the yellow sticker for the Eiffel Tower tour, and I've got some other bits that I'll get out. These are all the hair clips I wore tonight, like new ones and stuff. I really like this, like the bustle from Amazon. So bustly. Montmartre. So I forgot to film, but we explored Montmartre, went to Sacré-Cœur, and then went to Lingerie Museum, which is so beautiful. And then we took the metro back. Okay, I get to unbox my Bonjour Madame thing from McDonald's. I paid €2 for it because it's worth it. Which is the best part about being in Paris, okay? I think I can do this one. And it's really cute already. Oh, it's so cute! It's so like French themed. It's cool. Late, of course, you know, like waiting on the platform and like hoping it turns up. I don't know. Yeah. I actually could not make this up because our bus was the only bus that nobody had any information about, and the relief I felt when it turned up was palpable, and it was like 2 hours late, and there was no free meal this time. But we made it home. Paris this haul, I feel I should have been more explained. Let's go. This Madame from Paris, which was €2, very cute. I want to turn it into a bag charm. These hair clips, which already broke, but I'm going to glue gun them, and they were €3, not worth it. Really cute hair clips, also €3, haven't broken yet, so I guess worth it. Scrunchie, €3.50. Star hair clip, I accidentally chose the least aligned one ever, so €1, but mistakes were made. No one can make me hate this. It's like a little greeting card. I got it for my desk. It was €1. Stickers, so worth it. I think I got more, but I can't find them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's like €20 each. And then also these two little gorgeous cutesy pencils that were 80 cents each. That was everything from Attributions concept store, and now my like souvenir haul. This postcard, 70 cents, so cute, I love it. I'm probably going to put it on my board. I also got this one, which is like a little street view, also love. This is everything I got from Museum Lingerie. I got this bookmark. This postcard, which was one of my favourite paintings that I saw. This gorgeous and iconic like postcard of the water lilies, which I love. And altogether, all of those postcards came out to be like €5. This was such a cute find. It's like a Tintin comic book in French because I'm learning French, so I think it's a nice, good thing to have. I wanted to have a book or a comic or something to take home with me in French. It was €3, which I think is pretty good. And it was from this really cute comic book shop that we just found in like a little corner in Paris. It definitely felt quite local and not touristy at all. It was a really nice find. The gift shop was doing 13 Eiffel Towers for €5. So I got all my souvenirs from them. I've already given, I think, 2 of them away. I think they're actually so adorable. I want to keep this purple one for myself, and then maybe this black one, or this gold rose one, or this one, or this one. I love all of them, basically. They're really cute. And that was everything I bought in Paris, and I hope you love this video. I'm just going to end it with a little scrapbook compilation of some of my favourite digital camera pictures. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and have a lovely summer.